Good morning, students. I hope all are fine in the home. Yes, in the last classes, we have completed present tense, totally completed. Now, in this class, you are going to study about past tense. What is the second one? Past tense. Here, past tense. Past tense means that action is completed. Which action is completed, that is called a past tense. Okay, let's take simple past. First one is what? Simple past and past tense. So, what is simple past? What is the formula of simple past? In the past, in the simple past, what we have to use? Or V1, V2 or V3, what we have to use? So, all the things now you are going to studies. Okay, let us see simple past. What is simple past? So, write down the definition. I am writing on the board. A tense which tells about the work which was completed in the past in the past is called the simple past. That is the definition. What is the definition is here? A tense which tells about the work which was completed in the past is called a simple past. Is it visible? My handwriting, are you seeing my handwriting? Yes. Let's take the formula subject V2, then object. What is the formula of past tense? Or it means simple past, subject V2, object. We have to use V2 in a simple past. So, take the example. Vishnu came here last night. Vishnu came here last night. Here came. Came it is what? It is V1 or V2, V3 what? Come came, come. Come came, come. Here came. It is a V2. It is a V2. That's like second one. You worked very hard. He worked very hard. Here work it is a V2. She killed a lion. She killed a lion. Here killed it is what? V2. Then I did my work. I did my work. Here did it is a V2. Do did done. Is it understand? So subject V2 then object. Okay. It is the all these are an example of simple past. Write on the example. Is it over? Do you know how to make interrogative and negative in simple past? Let us study how to make negative and interrogative in a simple past. See students, look at the board. Let us see how to make negative and interrogative in simple past. Assertive, subject V2. Okay. Then negative, subject did not, then V1. Does it understand? Then interrogative, did, subject, then V1. Finally, question mark. So according to formula, now you make one sentence. I, we, you, he, she, it, then they. Here. So just drink. Drink V2 water. Tell me. Drink is V1. What is the V2 of drink? Drank. Drinker, drank, then drunk. Drink, drank, drunk. So what you want to use here? V1 or V2, V3? V2. It means drank. I drank water. I drank water. Then here drank water. Here also drank water. No more changes. Everywhere should write same. Don't write anything. Okay. Drank water. Then here drank water. Drank water. See here. I drank water. We drank water. You drank water. He drank. So he drank water. She drank water. It drank water, and they drank water. It is a assertive. Let us see how to make a negative. I, what is helping over here? Did, then not. So V1. We have to write here water. V1. It means drank changes drink here. Drank changes what here? Drink. Drink water. Because we use water helping over. Did helping over, that's the reason we have to take V1. You have to write V1 here. Then you, he, she, it, then they. See here. We did not drink water. You did not drink water. Then he, she, it, say no more changes. Only one helping verb is there. Okay, does it understand? I did not drink water. We did not drink water. You did not drink water. He, she, it. So all the things that takes only did because only one helping verb in a simple past, that is called did. That is a did. Let us see interrogative. Did I drink water? Are you write that? Did I drink water? Then did we drink water? Question mark. Then did you drink water? Question mark. Did he drink water? Okay, does it understand? Did she drink water? Then did it drink water? Then did they drink water? That is a interrogative. That is what a interrogative. Okay. Now you write down assertive, negative, and interrogative. Three sentences are here. So all three sentences you have to write down. Yes, let's go. Next, past continuous. See students, now past continuous. What is past continuous? The definition is here. Just you write on the definition with reading. A tense which tells about the work which was taking place in the past is called a past continuous. It means that action is going continuous. The action is going continuous. That is called a past continuous. So let's take the formula. See students, it is the past continuous formula. Subject, was or were, these are helping verbs in a simple past. Sorry, past continuous. Then V1, then ing. So, for example, a man is doing some work. A man is doing some work. Now, Ona is, sorry, was. Ona was singing a song. Singing a song. Then, they were studying. They were studying. So, these are example. Past continuous example these are. Yes. Write on the students definition and example. Let us know how to make negative and interrogative in the past continuous. Okay. Write down fast. Let's take one example how to make negative and interrogative. Assertive, negative and interrogative. Okay. Assertive, negative, then finally interrogative. Subject, was or were, next V1 plus ing. Here subject was or were, then not V1 plus ing. Okay, then was or were, subject V1 ing question mark. See here, I was drinking. I was drinking. Then we were drinking because we it is a plural. So we were drinking. We were drinking. Then you also it is a plural. So we were drinking. We take a were. But he, she, it singular. So was. He was, she was, it was drinking. Are you listening? Then they were drinking. They were drinking. It is a assertive. Then negative. I was not drinking. I was not drinking. We, you, he, she, it, and then they. See here, look at the board. We were not drinking. You were not drinking. She was not drinking. Then they were not drinking. That is a negative. Let us see how to make an interrogative. Was I drinking? Was I drinking? Were we drinking? Were you drinking? Sorry. Yes. Were you drinking? Then was. He, she, it. Then drinking. Was he drinking? Was she drinking? Was it drinking? Then were they? Were they what? Drinking. Were they drinking? See here, assertive, negative, and interrogative. This like you make change the sentences. I was drinking. I was not drinking. Was I drinking? Then we were drinking. We were not drinking. Then were we drinking? Then you were drinking. You were not drinking. Were you drinking? Then he was drinking. He was not drinking. Was he drinking? Then she was drinking. She was not drinking. Was he drinking? Then it was drinking. It was not drinking. Was it drinking? Then they were drinking. They were not drinking. Then were they drinking? Assertive, negative, and interrogative. So write down this one. Let's take the homework. So take down the example. So just following the example, change into simple past. First example, I play Coco very well. She drinks Pepsi. We come to school early. We come to school early. Then they send a present box. A present box. Madhu kills an animal. Madhu kills an animal. Then she goes to college. She goes to college. Then poet writes a poem. Eighth one. Poet writes a poem. Then Teacher teaches a lesson. Then father reads newspaper. Father reads newspaper. Then 10th one. Carpenter makes a table. So these 10 examples change into what? Simple past. So write down the example one by one. I play Coco very well. Then she drinks Pepsi. We come to school early. Third example. Fourth example. They send a present box. Then Madhu kills an animal. Then sixth one. She goes to college. Then seventh one. Poet writes a poem. Then eighth one. Teacher teaches a lesson. Ninth one. Father reads newspaper. Then carpenter makes a table. So all these are example. You just change into simple past. What you want to do? You change into simple past. So one more homework you want to take. First you write down. Later I will give you another homework. Is it over? Shall I go further? Yes. Next, take another homework. Look at the board, students. Just you fill the correct helping verb in the brackets. See here, first example, Suresh dash in the bracket was or were. Just fill the which is correct helping verb in the blank. So Suresh dash was or were telling a story. Then students dash in the bracket was or were, then singing. Then third one, Vikas and Vinay. Vikas and Vinay dash in the bracket was or were making sound. Then Radha dash was or were washing her clothes. Then I was or were teaching. Then Mohan dash was or were talking to much. Then seventh one, Kumar dash was or were dancing on the stage. Let's take one more example. English story. Malan dash was or were learning English story. Then ninth one. Teachers was or were teaching in the school. In the school. Is it? Then 10th one. Kumar was or were, just write the correct word, was or were speaking English. So just you fill the helping word. First 10 examples you change into simple past. Then these examples you have to fill what helping verbs. Was or were. Was or were. You have to fill. Okay. Write down past. Have you written? Hmm? You know what you want to do? First 10 examples, change it to simple past. Then other 10 examples, you have to fill correct helping verb in the blank. Okay. So in the next class, we are discussing about past perfect and past perfect continuous. Okay. Bye students.